Good morning. It's Monday, so back on the charts, man. I really don't know what this video is going to be about. I just picked up my phone this morning and was like, I want to film a video. So here you go. Here's the video. This is the intro. Leggy.
Yo, it's still Monday and I'm about to crash. Gotta put my seatbelt on. It's still Monday and I won my trade today. Currently up 1.5% on the week. Hit or take profit one, and then the rest of the position got stopped out at break even. But yeah, we are currently up on the week. We won the trade. Just wanted to give you guys a little, I guess, update. I want to keep pushing these videos out to you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the last video, the Q&A, and today's video is going to be on order blocks. All right, as you probably know from the thumbnail, from the title. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about order blocks, and hopefully give you a little bit more of like the day in the life type stuff. But yeah, right now it's just a Monday. It's kind of a lazy day. I have a couple Zoom calls that I need to do with students, and then I think in 2 weeks I'm going to open up my 5-day course again. My 5-day Zoom course. I do at least one every single month. If you don't know about that, now you do. If you want more information on that, just go to my Instagram, and yeah.
All right, yo, what's good? It's a Tuesday morning. I just want to keep giving you guys like these day-to-day updates type of deal. It's Tuesday morning. We haven't taken our trade yet, similar to Monday morning, but I'm about to, because it's like 7:15 Utah time, so that means it's 6:15 PST, and that means it's 9:15 Eastern time. So once that 9:30 bell hits, I'll get on the charts. Or I mean, I've been on the charts in the morning, but I mean, I feel like you guys think that I do a lot of stuff in the morning. I was just getting ready this morning, ready to go out, and then I took my dog out, and yeah, that's about it. I don't really look at the charts too much in the morning until I'm ready to trade. I'm 2-0 on the week, up 4.5%. Yes, it's still Tuesday. We just finished taking our trades, and we won. But this is just day in the life stuff. I'm a little bit too lazy to film the trades that I took. Just watch the videos on TikTok. This video will be up pretty soon. Just scroll back on TikTok. I post all my trades there. Aight?
Yo, what's up with y'all? I just got to the grocery store, about to go get an energy drink. We actually lost our trade today, or let me preface, we should have just ended it on a winner, but we hit our first take profit, and it was like a small take profit, right? So I took 50% off per usual, but then price ended up going back up, and I was like, nah, I'm just going to hold until my stop loss hits, and my stop loss ended up getting hit, causing me to actually lose money on the trade. So yeah, lesson learned, follow your plan type shit. But yeah, we're at the grocery store right now. I'm about to get an energy drink, then about to hit the gym. I want to do more of these. I was literally just thinking on the drive over here. I was like, dude, I want to show you guys more of my life. It's just hard because I don't really do that much. So it's going to be my goal to try to kind of like do more like lifestyle type videos. I am going to Aruba, on December 15th. So expect a like super sick like beach video with like hella vids. Hopefully I can get you guys like cool footage from that. But other than that, man, that's it for today. I'm probably going to hit the gym. Already got my trading done. About to film some TikToks for you guys. About to film that order block video. And yeah, it's about to be a good day.
All right, guys, what's good? Welcome to the chart portion of the video. And this is a long-awaited video from you guys. How to identify order blocks within the financial markets, okay? Obviously, most of you guys are really into smart money trading or smart money concepts, or you're very new to smart money concepts, and order blocks are one of the main concepts that is taught within this smart money concept type trading, right? It also includes liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, equilibrium, all the good stuff that I've talked about before, but this is kind of a big one that I've been waiting to talk about. First of all, because I never really use them too much in my trading, but people ask about them all the time, and I do know a lot about them because guess what? I actually know how to trade the markets, and I've done my time. So I have experience with these. I know how to trade them. I know what they are, what they do within the market. Okay, I know how to identify them. And I've actually been using them a little bit more recently, and they've proven to be beneficial for me. And I'll show you an example of the trade that I actually took today that hit all of our take profits that was off of an order block. But to start off, just like we do with any other video, okay, there's a reason why I talk about, okay, what does this certain methodology mean? What does it do? And how can we identify it, right? Why do I do that? Because instead of just following a strategy where two EMAs cross and saying, I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell right when those EMAs cross, you don't know why you're buying. You don't know why you're selling. Versus if I explain, hey, when we get a liquidity sweep, that means they are trying to get people to go in the opposite direction and to exit the market so they can fill their orders at the price point that they want in order to capitulate price back in the other direction. Okay, then that gives you guys an idea of, okay, wow, this is like, that gives you guys the idea of, okay, I actually know what's happening when a liquidity sweep happens. What's a fair value gap? It's a liquidity void, right? There's nobody going in the direction, there's nobody going in the opposite direction of the banks, right? Within that little liquidity void, right? That's why it's called a void, a liquidity void. So why do banks want to push price back into that fair value gap, into that liquidity void? Because there was nobody going against them. So they know if they push price back into that area, they can fill in more orders. Okay, now moving on to what is a fair value gap. Okay, a fair value gap is the price range where orders are accumulated prior to the expansionary move. Okay, so what does that mean? It typically will come off of a liquidity sweep and it will look something like this. Okay, let's say this is a line of liquidity. Okay, we had a candle right here, okay, super bad candle, but this is its wick, right? Price comes up, messes around, right? Price comes back down, sweeps this liquidity, okay, and forms, right? This would be like the candle that it makes, right? Something like that, okay? This is our accumulation candle, okay? This is where orders were accumulated, okay? So as price starts coming back up, right, after the sweep of liquidity, wouldn't it be smart of the banks to push price back down where they were able to accumulate those orders before, right? Because we swept liquidity and then made an expansionary move to the upside, okay? It would make sense for the banks to want to push price back in to this price range where they were able to accumulate orders because of this liquidity sweep, accumulate more, and continue pushing price in that same direction. Okay? Now, let's start showing you guys some examples of it, right? So we know that it's the candle prior to the expansionary move down, okay? So if we go in here and look at the trade that I took today, I know this looks pretty hectic with all these lines, or we can actually jump over here. This will be better, okay? So let's start off. This is New York Stock Exchange Open. Okay, I'll just literally just walk you guys through the trade that I took today. Okay, this is New York Stock Exchange Open. Okay, we see a liquidity sweep right here. How do we know it's a liquidity sweep? Well, look, we wick above the high and break structure to the downside. Okay, so just like we talked about before this, okay, where is the candle prior to the expansionary move downwards? Okay, this is the expansionary move down. Okay, so this is the candle where price was accumulated in. Okay, so what do? We just box that off. Okay, just like that. Sometimes I do the bodies, sometimes I do the wicks. It really doesn't matter because it's about the same size. Okay, this is our candle where price accumulated. Okay, we see that price expands to the downside. Okay, and people might be saying, hey, this is a break of structure on the 5-minute. I don't care because we swept liquidity and made an expansionary move, right? This break of structure is just a 15-minute retrace on up. Okay, now if we look at the 1 minute, right, we can see, hey, well, what about this candle, right? This was the candle before the expansionary move. Sometimes you got to be able to play within every single sometimes you got to be able to play within every single time frame. Okay, I took this off the 5 minute because I saw, okay, we pushed into the order block and then we broke structure. We broke structure with this candle right here. Okay, so let's go over our confluences on this trade. Sweep of liquidity, okay, expansionary move down, order block is formed, tap into the order block, break of structure, entry, stop, and then I'll show you where my take profits were if we go right over here. Okay, we can see I mapped out the same exact thing, right? This was a 1 minute order block. This right here, this purple line was our 5 minute order block. You can tell, zoom in here, right? Where did I enter? Right off of this break of structure right here. Where were our take profits? Take profit 1 was right here. Okay, what was this? 15 minute liquidity. Take profit 2 was right here, which was a 15 minute order block. Okay, where's our order block? From here up to here, right? This is our 50% level. Take profit 3 was right here, just resting right at these highs. Boom. All take profits were hit with precision, okay? And now we're moving back on up, okay? Did I trade again? No, I took my profits and I exited the market. I made 2.3% today. All right, that's all I need. All right. So, back to order blocks, right? It is the candlestick prior to the expansionary move, okay? Where else can we find order blocks? Okay, let's look right in here. Okay, look at this. Okay, 4 hour liquidity sweep, expansionary move down. Which one is our order block? We sweep liquidity and then make an expansionary move down. This is our order block. Okay, notice that, okay, maybe we don't see that this is our expansionary move down. This is our expansionary move down, okay? We have this order block, okay? And we see that price makes this move down, but then pushes right back up. Notice another liquidity sweep. Another liquidity sweep, okay? Then, boom. More expansion to the downside, okay? Where was the candle, okay, prior to the expansionary move downwards, right? After the liquidity sweep. It's right in here, okay, right? Sometimes I said it'll do it from the wicks. Notice, okay, expansionary move down, right? This is the candle that breaks structure, okay? This is the candle that breaks structure. This is the candle that caused our liquidity sweep that accumulated orders, okay? We see price come down, push up right into there. Boom, there's your entry. Boom, capitulation. Take profit here, take profit here, okay? Even take profit all the way down here, okay? Which wouldn't have gotten hit. But you guys get my point, okay? Okay, let's keep identifying these, all right? Order blocks. What is it? It is, okay, and what? Let's stop for a second. What isn't an order block? This irritates me. When you guys try and say, this is an order block. No, this is a retracement. This is not an order block. An order block comes off of a sweep of liquidity and then an expansionary move, either to the upside or to the downside, okay? We're going to find one to the downside right now, okay? Or I mean to the upside right now. We were just focusing on downside, okay? Look right here, okay? We take out, if we go on the daily, we take out liquidity, 4 hour, okay? What is the down candle prior to the expansionary move to the upside? Right here. Price comes into the order block, sweeps more liquidity within here, okay? Sweeps more liquidity within here, where, look how precise that is. Okay, we took a 4 hour order block, okay, we start seeing price movement to the upside off the 1 hour, off of a liquidity sweep. We break structure. Where's our order block? It's right here. This is our order block. Price breaks structure, expands to the upside, comes down, pushes right into this order block. Boom, expansion to the upside. It's that easy, you guys. Okay, now, if we look at the 1 hour right here, right? Same thing, you guys. Okay? What causes the break of structure? What causes the change in structure? What is the candle prior to the expansionary move down? Boom. Order block. Scale in. Okay, where does the order block get hit? Okay, it gets hit right here. Price comes down, price moves up, price comes down. Okay, zoom in here. Okay, price moves up, price moves down, price moves up. Boom, break of structure. This is our entry. Enter right here, short position, stop loss. Above here, okay, where can we target? This swing low, okay, previous liquidity all through here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Maybe this is our final take profit, okay? That's all you guys need. Okay, and this can be found and be used on multiple confluences on high time frames. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, what is this? A liquidity sweep to the upside. Okay, if we go on the 4 hour, we get, okay, liquidity sweep. Okay, boom, expansionary move down, all right? Where is our order block? Right here, okay? Price comes down, pushes up right back into it, right? We see that we get a break of structure, right? Okay, price pushes right back up into it, boom, capitulates. Okay? It's as easy as that, you guys. Okay, if we look down in here, right, or even go to the weekly, this was a liquidity sweep. Right here, go to the 4 hour. Okay, look at this, guys. It gets filled perfectly. Okay, sweep of liquidity. Boom, candlestick prior to the expansionary move downward. Boom, order block filled, stop loss above here. That's your entry. Take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. Okay. All right, this can be used on every single time frame. I showed you guys how I used it this morning. Okay, we use this on a super small time frame, you guys. I was on the 5-minute time frame. Look, this was the liquidity sweep that I saw. It's all still applicable. Okay, liquidity sweep, expansionary move, order block is right here. Enter, stop loss above, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, all hit within a 15-minute span. Okay, this was the time that we entered. Okay, we entered like 2 minutes before the 9:30 bell. Okay, and our take profit got hit within the 15 minutes prior to the 9:30 bell. That's money being made. Okay, in 15 minutes, you guys. In 15 minutes, that quick. All right. Now we can see this. Literally all the time, guys. All you have to do is look. All you have to do is find a liquidity sweep and then find the expansionary move down, right? We already talked about this one right here, right? Liquidity sweep, candle before the expansionary move down, right? Expansionary move, boom, okay, right here, order block, gets filled, capitulation. Okay, let's try and find more examples of this. Right here, you guys, look. Okay, liquidity sweep, boom, right here. Okay, we get our move to the upside, right? We break structure. Where did we break structure? Probably saying, oh, we didn't break structure. Yes, we did. Okay, liquidity sweep, big move up, high number one. Okay, we move down, we move up. Oh, what consists of a high? A move down, then a move up. Now this is our high. Okay, move up, move down. Boom. Okay, break of structure. Where is our order block? Okay, we can either do it from the wicks or the bodies, right? Right here, right here. Okay, we see boom, order block, gets filled, capitulation up. What does it take out? This swing high, okay? Then what happens? Capitulation. Okay, we can do this all day by finding liquidity sweeps and then finding the order block off of it. Okay? We can literally just continue to do this. Oh yeah, this one was funny. All right. Okay. What does this look like? 4 hour liquidity sweep. What is this? The capitulation. It breaks structure. Huh. What is this? Wow, looks like an order block to me. You could have done this one off the wick or the body. And this was during CPI news data. Everything still played out perfectly and to our rules. Do we see any form of, oh, I don't know what's happening? No, we know what's happening here. We see a liquidity sweep. We see a break of structure. What is this? Order block getting filled. What is this? Fair value gap getting filled. More capitulation to the downside. Do we see a break of structure on this wick to the upside? No, we break structure right here. We move up, we move down, we move up. But do we close above here, breaking structure? Absolutely not. This is a valid trade entry. Okay, I literally remember taking longs off of this all the way up to here and closing it because of this order block. Okay, hopefully this is becoming more and more apparent to you guys. Okay, now let's look here. Daily time frame. What does this look like? Boop, liquidity sweep. Okay, where's the downward candle prior to the expansionary move up? Okay, well, we could either do this one, which gets filled off of this move down, or we can go into the 4 hour, right, and see it a little bit closer, right? This was the move down that we were talking about, the daily daily order block getting filled. Where's our 4 hour order block? Boop. What happens? Price breaks structure after the liquidity sweep, after the expansionary move. What's the candle prior to the expansionary move? Right here. Boom. Push in. Gather more orders. Good freaking buy. It's this simple, you guys. I guarantee you 85% of you guys are overcomplicating it. Well, which one's an order block? Is it this one, this one, this one? No, okay? Guys, keep this shit as simple as possible, okay? This is how I want you to think of it, because some people were misconstruing my fair value gap video. Ready? I'm going to give you guys a template of exactly how I trade right now. Okay? Liquidity sweep causes reversals. Okay? Or, oops, break of structure. I don't know if I spelled that right. Break of structure causes a shift in market bias, okay? Or a shift in market structure, okay? Okay, let me space this out for you. Okay, fair value gaps are for reversals. Okay, you guys, some of you guys just are like so obsessed with fair value gaps. Newsflash, they're not that important. It's a liquidity void that is used for reversals. It doesn't cause, or yeah, sorry, no. Are not for reversals, for retracements. Sorry. Liquidity sweeps cause reversals. Break of structure causes a shift in market bias / structure. Fair value gaps are for retracements. They don't cause reversals, you guys. You guys are trying to enter off of fair value gaps that were like weeks in the past. Okay? Those aren't valid anymore. Those have probably already been filled, you guys. You guys think fair value gaps are the holy effing grail. I get DMs every day saying, hey, is this fair value gap valid? Is this fair value gap valid? Stop obsessing over fair value gaps, okay? This is not a one tool fixes everything. You need to use all of these together, okay? So I'm going to explain how we can do that. Fair value gaps are for retracements, okay? If we break structure and then have a fair value gap that's right here that gets filled a little bit and then price capitulates, it's done. It's over. It's been filled. Stop trying to use it. Okay? Then continuing, if we have a fair value gap that hasn't been filled and we start breaking structure to the upside and that was a downside fair value gap, don't use it because market structure has already shifted. Okay? It's for retracements. It does not create reversals. What causes reversals? A liquidity sweep. How can we confirm the reversal with the break of structure? Okay? If I get another freaking DM about why your fair value gap didn't work, I'm going to spam you with 100 links to this video and this clip. Okay? They are for retracements. Okay? Now, moving on. Equilibrium is used for retracements. Used for retracements. Okay? How can we use it for retracements? Okay, if we see daily market structure getting broken to the upside, it's probably a weekly retracement. Go on the weekly, plot out your equilibrium. If we see 4-hour structure breaking to the upside, it's probably or to the downside, it's probably a daily retracement. Go to the daily, plot out your equilibrium. Same thing, lower, 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 and lower, okay? Next, order blocks, okay? What are order blocks? Okay, order blocks are used, okay, after a liquidity sweep first candle prior to the expansionary move down or up. This is all you need, guys. This is it. Use this. Take a picture of this. Put it on your computer somewhere. This is all you need. If you can see a liquidity sweep, then a break of structure, boom, you have an order block. If you see a liquidity void, boom, that's a place where you could enter off of a retracement. If you see break of structure potentially causing a retracement, perfect. Use your equilibrium on the next higher time frame. It's that simple, you guys. Okay? Look. Let me draw out something for you. Okay? Boom. Let's say this is what price does. Okay? We have a high right here. Okay? Price comes up. Liquidity sweep. Boom. Check. Okay? What will likely come off the liquidity sweep? A reversal. Okay? Boom. Reversals happened. Check this off. Break of structure happened. Okay? Check this off. Okay? Where's our order block? The candle prior to the expansionary move down. Right here. Okay? Check that off. Okay? Price is probably going to come up here, fill the order block, continue down. Okay? Now, let's say it makes a fair value gap within here. Perfect. We have a fair value gap. What will price probably do? It'll probably come up, retrace into this fair value gap, and continue down. Okay? What else can we do to be able to spot that fair value gap? Equilibrium. Boom. This is our equilibrium. All right? That is how you can use every single one of these. And you should be doing this on a daily basis, you guys. You should be doing this on a daily basis. It's not, I want to choose one of these and I'm going to stick to it forever. Understand that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 of these can be used to understand where the market is going at all times. At all times. There's nothing else you need. There's nothing else. There's no secret sauce. If you try and pay me for a Zoom call, for a one-on-one Zoom call saying, hey man, I'm really into your stuff. Can I do a one-on-one Zoom call? Is there anything secret that makes you profitable? No! Guys, I'm not here to BS you and try and take your money. Okay? This shit is to turn you guys into profitable traders. The only thing that I charge you guys for is extra info that takes away from my time. Okay, my free stuff is all you need. I did that on purpose. I did that for a reason, because I don't need your money. I just showed you how I made 2.3K today. You think I need your guys' money? Are you crazy? I don't. Okay? I really, really don't. All right? Understand that if you're watching my YouTube videos, I have just given you everything. Every freaking thing. And I get people DMing me that are actual smart people that DM me and say, hey bro, I've been profitable for 2 months now because I listened to everything you said in your YouTube videos. If you think I'm trying to scam you by charging you for a Discord, charging you for a Zoom call, charging you for a 5-day course, you must be out of your mind, because I'm giving you so much information right here. Okay? And if you want to sit here and call me a fraud, fine. So be it. You'll be broke. Everybody else that listens to this and follows this video, okay, and understands that this stuff all within here is all you need. That's it. This is it, okay? I'm going to continue making YouTube videos, but right now I'm at writer's block. I don't know what else to make, because I've given you the only things that I use within these markets nowadays. Okay? Liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, equilibrium, and order blocks. That is it. There's no extra secret sauce that makes me profitable and makes you lose. The secret sauce is called risk management. And if you don't know how to risk management, if you don't know how to manage your own risk, okay, watch Mark Douglas, watch Trading in the Zone, read Trading in the Zone, and fix your mind, okay? If you are not able to correctly manage your risk, it means you have a weak mind and you have zero discipline. Okay? This is a brutal conversation that you have to have with yourself, that I had to have with myself when I wanted to turn profitable. And guess what? After I had the conversation with myself, after I said, hey, guess what? You aren't going to get rich day trading, but hey, this is a super valid skill. And if you actually put in work every single day and be consistent with this, it will eventually make you rich. And guess what? Getting rich in 2 years, that is getting rich quick. You guys think getting rich quick is in a month. Newsflash, that's not going to happen unless you win the lottery. Okay? Getting rich quick takes learning a valuable skill to make money faster than any other skill. That's why day trading is so lucrative, because I can make money faster than a lot of other people. Okay? But is it a get rich quick? Yeah, I got rich in 2 years after day trading. I got rich in under a year through crypto investments. Okay? But you guys need to understand, it's not going to happen in a month. And it's definitely not going to happen if you have a weak mind and if you have no discipline. Okay? So listen to what I'm telling you. You have to discipline yourself to be able to stick to your rules, to be able to stick to your trading plan. Imagine how sad it is for you to sit there, okay, and have a trading plan written out that the day before you said, I'm going to follow this, and then the very next day, you don't follow it and you lose more money. Because guess what? I know that happened to me, and so I know it's happening to you guys. I know that you guys lose a trade and you want to get back in the market because you want a revenge trade and you want to make money that you just lost. Guess what? That's emotional trading. Okay? The second you start trading emotionally, that's when you're going to lose. Okay? So understand, I'm here to help you guys. Hopefully that rant really got the point across to you guys that I'm not here to take your money. Please understand that. Okay? The only thing that I charge for is my time. The Discord takes my time, a Zoom call takes my time, and the 5-day course takes my time. Those are the only three things that I charge for. Okay? And all of them include one-on-one interaction with me. You can ask questions, you can pick my brain, okay? I will not sit here and record a pre-recorded video, just like any other YouTube video, okay? Record 20 of them and slap a $500 price tag on it and say, buy my course. I'm not that type of person, because guess what? I was just like you guys. I was the one buying those courses. I bought Swaggy C's course. I bought 3 courses, you guys, and they didn't help me at all. The only thing they helped me was understanding that, hey, they don't know what they're talking about. They just scammed me for some money. Okay? This is probably going to be the best YouTube video that I ever made. Not the fact that order blocks are the holy grail, but just the fact that I've had this conversation with you guys, and I hope this gets pushed out to as many people as possible. Okay? I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to help you understand the markets. Okay? This is my job. Okay? Not teaching you guys, but actually trading. Okay? And I've decided to relieve you guys from having to deal with all these other BS YouTubers, showing them in their whips. Guess what? I'm sitting down with you on my couch, just me, you, and the charts. I'm not here to flex a chain. I'm not here to flex a whip. I'm not here to flex my life. Okay? I can do that elsewhere. I can enjoy my life without having to show it to you guys and like I have something to prove. I don't need your guys' validation. I'm here to teach you guys how to trade, because thinking back to when I was depressed and had no money and was broke because of day trading, I wish I could just flip off all those other YouTubers and say, thanks for stealing my money. Okay? And I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you guys to get sucked into the retail trap of day trading YouTube. Okay? If I were you, I wouldn't even be watching day trading YouTube videos. I would tell myself to stop watching day trading YouTube videos. Okay? And if I were to tell myself, I would say, delete YouTube and turn post notifications on for TJR mother effing trades, okay? And watch it on Safari. Watch every single one of his videos that comes out on Safari. Because there's a big difference between my YouTube videos and all these other people. They start off their videos, man, look at my 4-car garage. Look at my 5 cars that I bought today from day trading. No, look at the 5 cars that I bought today because of the signal service that I provide. Look at the 5 cars that I bought today because I scammed all you guys with my courses. That's all it is. Okay? This is all you need. All right? Stop switching strategies every single day because it failed you one day. Guess what? Everybody loses. Everybody loses within the market. Okay? It's normal. Sometimes we read these things wrong. Okay? We aren't an algorithm. We're not a robot. We're human. Okay? So we make mistakes. Humans make mistakes. All right? Now that the rant is over, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got value from it, because man, just this last, like, I don't know, 10 minutes or 15 minutes of me yelling at you guys is more value than you will find on any of these other YouTubers' channels. Okay, what I just told you is what I wish I was able to tell myself back when I wasn't profitable, when I was trying to make it in day trading. That's what I needed. That conversation that me and you just had. Okay? And if you aren't man enough to sit yourself down and look yourself in the mirror and say, hey, these are all the things that I'm doing wrong. I can't risk manage for myself. I have a weak mind. How can I discipline myself? And actually turn yourself into the person that you want to be, then you'll get there. All right? So I appreciate you guys letting me yell at you, letting me, put you guys in your place for a second, okay? Hopefully you guys learned from this video. You got your order block video, and you got a whole lot more than that, okay? I appreciate you guys. I'm going to really start trying to push this content out to you. I know I said I hit a writer's block with video ideas. I still have. I don't know what I'm going to produce, but I do want to push out a YouTube video every other day to you guys for until, I guess, January 5th, we'll say. Every other day, YouTube video coming out to you guys. Okay, I'm going to be pushing out lots of TikToks. Okay, I don't want to just be doing 6 videos a day. I want to make as many videos as possible. Okay, this whole month of December and the first week of January, because I missed the first week of December because I was busy. But I really want to grind on this for you guys. Okay, my goal is for the end of this new year coming up, for you guys to be profitable day traders. If you are a follower of me right now, if you're subscribed to me right now, I want that to be your New Year's resolution, okay? To take things one step at a time, not to force it. You have a whole year to become a profitable day trader. These markets aren't going anywhere. It's all up to you, okay? I appreciate you guys. That's it from me. Peace out.